please click the subscribe button to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to never miss any updates on my channel, Sweta's Beauty Vanity. Hello my beauties, hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Sweta's Beauty Vanity. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my facial by myself at home, step by step. If you are following me on Facebook and Instagram, you guys may know that I was trying new skincare products which I recently bought from Nykaa.com. And it has been 1 month or so I was keep trying on me, and it's now time to share my honest review with you guys of the same, along with the whole facial technique. I have done one more home facial video few months ago on my channel in Bengali as well, so if you understand the Bengali, you can find the video link from my description box. Now without any further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow all my social network, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I am super active over there, and all the links will be there in my info box. Now without any further ado, let's get started. The first step of any kind of facial is cleansing, and for cleansing my face I am using Biotique Bioberberry hydrating cleanser. The good thing about the product is it's for all skin types, so no matter what kind of skin type you have, it can be used. I am applying the product all over my face and neck, then gently massage it. Before starting the facial procedure, it's very important to clean up your face thoroughly to get rid of leftover makeup residue, dirt and impurities what you have on your skin. And please don't forget to clean your neck and ear as well, because you always tend to avoid those areas. The next step is scrubbing, and I'm using St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Face Scrub. The good news, St. Ives products now available in Nykaa, so you can give it a try. The main ingredient of this product is apricot, which is a multitasker. It heals, soothes and protects your skin. It's rich with vitamin A and antioxidant compounds. It exfoliates the deep tissues, leaving your face with a supple shine. Scrubbing is the second part of the cleansing process. Facial cleanser cannot pull out all the dirt or dust that accumulates in your pores of your skin, but scrubbing does this job successfully. As you can see, I apply the product evenly all over my face, neck, and then gently massage it with circular motion. Don't skip the lips and around the mouth area, because we have a lot of dead skin cells over there. Scrubbing helps in removing dead cells, adds glow to skin, remove dark patches and acne scar, and last but not the least, it improves the texture of your skin. You should scrub your face twice in a week, but don't over rub your skin if you have pimples or rashes are there in your skin, because sometimes it accelerates the causes of pimples in your skin if you do so. After scrubbing and before massaging technique, you should clean up your face with fresh water and make sure there is no granule or a single particle of the scrubber is there on your face. Next step is massaging, which is my favorite part of whole facial technique, and I am using Just Herbs Honey Facial Massage Gel to massage my skin. It's a rehydrating and nourishing skincare gel for massage, specially suitable for oily skin, but it works great on my dry skin too. It has the most healing properties of nature, which is honey, and it enhanced with nourishing and anti-aging properties of almonds to vanish the wrinkles. It prevents and corrects all signs of aging. I would like to start my massage from my neck. It is said that the toxin which is created in our face is accumulated in the lymph node. So draining the fluid down, first I'm gonna massage my neck in downwards motion like so, and repeat the step 4 to 6 times. In our next neck massaging technique, we will start from the center part of the neck, then gently massage towards the back of the neck like so, and I am repeating the technique at least 6 times. It helps to remove the toxin from neck area and reduces the wrinkle in the neck area as well. Now move to the face massage. First I'm gonna start with big circular motion, upward and outward motion like so, and I'm gonna repeat this technique 6 to 7 times. face massage technique. First I'm gonna hold my jaw with my thumb like this, and then with the rest of the fingers I'm gonna massage my cheek, first clockwise and then anti-clockwise motion. The two face massage technique which I just showed you, it helps to increase the blood circulation inside our skin cell, and by which we can get stress free, toxin free, glowing healthy skin naturally. In our next face massage technique, we are going to start the massage from jawline towards cheekbone like this, and we'll do the same to the opposite side of our face as well, and repeat the massage technique 6 to 7 times each both the side. It helps to toning, tightening and lifting up our skin of our face. In the next facial massage technique, with the help of my thumb, I'm gonna dragging the toxin from the skin with small circular motion up to the temple like so. And make sure at the time of this massage technique, pull the finger away from your face, because we don't want to push back the fluid to our skin. And I'm gonna repeat this massage technique a good 5 to 6 times simultaneously both the side of our face. If you want to get a sculpted face naturally, next facial exercise technique is for you. Here first I'm gonna fold my finger, and then with the help of this folded finger I am slowly and gently massage along with my cheekbone to the temple like so. It's called knuckling technique. We will repeat the technique 4 to 5 times simultaneously both the side. All the facial massage exercise technique which I am showing you is very helpful for the health of your skin. It helps to rejuvenate your skin and maintain to detoxify your skin, by which you can get a youthful glow to your skin. Next, move to the eye massage technique, and in the first technique I am applying the pressure both the side of our eye and then dragging down the finger up to the temple of the forehead. By the process we are able to make our under eye stress free, and if you are suffering from puffy eyes problem, it also helps to depuff your eye. And I will repeat the technique 4 to 5 times here. The next eye massage technique is a great stress buster for your eyes and one of my favorite eye massage technique. With the help of our index finger, I'm gonna gently massage around my eyes like so, and we are going to repeat the process 5 to 6 times. Next, move to the forehead massage. The forehead massage is very important because most of the cases early sign of aging starts from our foreheads. So to avoid that, first we start the technique by creating pressure by our index finger from the center of our eyebrow, then gently release it and dragging towards the temple, and we are going to continue the process 6 to 7 times here. Next, with the help of two fingers by the zigzag motion, I am massaging along my forehead left to right and doing the process both horizontally and vertically onto the forehead. At any point in the massaging technique, if you feel you need some more massaging gel, you can take it, or just with the help of water you can continue the process. In the next massaging technique, I am creating a pressure in the middle part of my forehead, then dragging the finger outward and gently release the pressure. I am doing the process simultaneously both the side, as you can see in the video. It helps to get rid of wrinkles in the center part of the forehead. Here I am repeating the process 3 to 4 times. And lastly, by pinching technique of eyebrow, I am gonna finish my forehead massage technique. To avoid the early sign of aging around the mouth, the next facial technique is very important. With the help of two fingers, make a V and then gently massage like so. I am going to repeat this technique 5 to 6 times. Now to finish up the facial, I'm gonna show you two stress buster technique. In the first technique, with the help of two fingers like so, dragging along with the jawline towards the back of the ear, and gently create a pressure over there and hold there for 10 to 15 seconds, and then release it. And we are going to repeat the process 4 to 5 times. And in the next process, we are going to run our finger all over face like so, and this is how we will finish up our whole massaging technique. The next step is steaming. As my skin is pimple prone skin and I do use makeup frequently, so for deep cleaning my face I do steaming at least once in a month. And here in a hot water, first I'm adding 3 to 4 orange wedges and few drops of tea tree oil. Steaming helps to open up your pore and get rid of unwanted dirt sebum from your skin, and the essential oil like tea tree oil helps to healing the skin as well. Now I'm gonna take the steaming but not more than 7 minutes, and after that with the blackhead remover tool I'm scraping out the dirt, dead cells and blackheads from my skin, as you can see in the video. Now it's time to apply the mask, and for that I am using Juicy Chemistry's coffee, chocolate and macaroot face pack. It's a great pack. The mask brings together the goodness of luscious shea and cocoa butter and blended with cocoa powder, coffee bean granules and hint of sweet orange essential oil. It removes impurities and tan. It also helps tighten pores and nourish the skin and moisturize the skin as well. I like to make the paste out of it with few drops of milk, and I'm going to apply all over face and neck and leave it on the face for 10 minutes, then clean up the face with lots of normal water. Now at the end I'm going to apply the Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner all over my face. Then I'm gonna apply Biotique Bio Dandelion Ageless Lighting Serum, which is rich in vitamin E and minerals, and it's also blended with nutmeg oil. If you use the product regularly, it helps to brighten up the skin, fade the dark spots, ease away wrinkles for a flawless complexion, and it also helps to nourish the skin and keep it moisturized. So this is how I do my facial step by step at home. The product which is used in this video are new from me, apart from the scrubber and cleanser, and I'm so lucky and happy that I chose the right products from me. If you want to get a details review of each products, then please head over to my Facebook page. The link will be there in my info box. Lastly, if you like the video, please like it, comment below and share the video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be here soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, healthy and beautiful. Bye.